Hello and good morning. Seems spring is upon us, nice and warm. I've just realised I'm at 149 students within my community, okay? And what I'm going to do is the 150th place, i.e. the next person that signs up, I'm going to give it away for £99. You will still get the 4 one-to-ones. I'm booked up for 2 weeks solid, so it's looking like the end of the month I can get round to senior on a Zoom call or Discord or Instagram call, whichever you prefer, which would give you enough time to go through the course, see what the community is doing, how we're all doing it, and be a part of something for £99 opposed to £350. I just feel like giving a little something back. Got a little bit of OCD, so I want to fill the last place, which will take us to 150 strong. And yeah, just trying to share the love this spring morning.
Morning guys. So like I say, we're hoping for a retest here at 500. So if we do retest this, and the beauty is we can always lock in a small profit when it goes into a small loss, okay? Kind of nervous doing these live trades, but we'll see what we can do. I'd like to close out above 500, retest here, okay, for a confirmation of a potential recovery to this morning sell-off, okay. And there's a good 100-point sell-off there this morning, or from early hours of this morning. I mean, there's nothing to stop you taking these smaller profits. So like I say, when you get in profit, and so when this goes up to I don't know, grand 1500, you can lock in a small amount of profit, okay, which is good for the, okay, and you've got a grand or two when you believe it's going to have a V-shaped recovery. You can obviously put a trailing stop loss in, or you can walk away with the profit, 4 or 5 grand profit, or you can lock in an amount of profit. It's not hit that and not tested it, and then obviously you could be in a runner. So that's a good tip for walking over with a small profit, or a break-even sort of balance. I'm just keeping an eye on this, and then when you are in profit and there's a potential of a sort of V-shaped recovery, you're looking a little bit of profit. It's not hit that, and then you can just kind of slowly move it in, locking in your profit, keeping your risk management on point. And hopefully getting a decent amount of profit. It enables you to sort of take a step back from the screen. So we'll have a test of 500. We're not too concerned about this. Not too concerned about this just yet. So we've wicked off a 480. We can slowly see we're getting some signs of a potential recovery. So I'd like this one to close nicely above here, as this one is here as stated. Sorry, I've still got a horrendous cold. And then hopefully we can sort of start closing above these wicks. And then we can lock in a small amount of profit shortly. Come on. I mean, in theory, we should have a stop loss down here, guys, just in case. In fact, I am going to place that, just in case. So again, we're expecting this, okay? We're expecting this, but we're hoping in and around sort of 500 and 510-ish, or 5.5, we can slowly see us start. As soon as we break off here, we should see a nice momentum long. I'm not saying for an intraday swing or anything like that, but a nice sort of comfortable, well, I suppose it will be an intraday swing or a long scalp. Just touching the 20 EMA there. Again, see, I taken them out of these profits. You know, if I'm not liking what I see in there, guys, I'll close it at grand 1,500. And they do add up. 3 trades like that, you've got 3 grand. You've got 60 grand for a month. That's your risk management set in place now. So whatever happens, I can't lose any money. In fact, I'll be 200 quid up, which is nasty. So we'll see and manage this trade now. Again, you can move this stop loss up, or you can have a trailing stop loss, but we'll keep it sort of tight because we're expecting a bit more of a test. If it's, there we go, Jordan pointed out, and rightly so, we've got some consolidation here. We could sort of see some buying pressure coming ever so slightly, as in we wasn't testing this, we were slowly creeping up, and if people have found the bottoms here and the institutions see fit to buy, then we're jumping on the back of that. Okay, so again, you'd move this up if you're expecting this to run and run and run. I'm going to close this out here, guys, because I'm going to be I'm getting off now. So quick 3 grand. Should you have wanted to keep that going, okay, I'm not an intraday swing trader. I like my scalps. You would have slowly increased your stop loss up, which would have enabled you to, you know, lock in them profits. You should at times put in a guaranteed stop loss, or equally you can put a trailing stop loss in. So every time the market sort of steps up, so does your trailing stop loss. Not a bad little example this morning. Like I say, could have left that there, locked in, you know, a little bit more profit. Kept checking on my phone, but I've got commitments now where I just walk away. I'm happy with that 3k. Job's done. 2% on capital invested, so I'm 2% up. If I do that 10 times in 20 trading days, that is 20%. It's a nice profit. So I'm the whole in it for the long run. I like my scalps. I feel in control of that. I mean, we're going to probably manage this now and watch it and see that it's going to recover. But you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. My mind, I'm going to be busy now, so I didn't want my mind fixated with where this profit coulda, shoulda, may likely have gone. I'm happy with my profits. Well, I would have been happy with the loss. I've walked away. Job done. My morning's finished now in terms of trading. If I'd have been in that, I would have been checking at my phone. I wouldn't have been able to walk away. That's just the type of person I am. Some people may say, well, you've locked in your profits, you don't need to check it. Well, it's all right saying that when you think, oh, there might be 5 grand there, or did it hit me 2.5 stop loss, or, you know, are we in 10k? Shall I be moving it up? Again, your trailing stop loss would be for that, but this is why I like my scalp, because I know that I'm comfortable with a handful of scalps a day, walking away 2-3 grand. Should that have, or the price action indicated a faster recovery, potentially I may have stayed in it. If there was some, like the candle here, which there's a sort of 10-point move. If that would have, again, been another 10-point move, I would have maybe stayed in it. But again, shoulda, coulda, woulda, maybe, and all this lot. I like to bank a good profit in the morning. Job's done. I actually had a short speculative trade last night, and that came in. So not a bad Wednesday.